Well, get a good look at it, because this is the last time I'm going to be able to get these pictures for you. Here's the backside of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disney's Hollywood Studios. These are going to be the last pictures because when we got to the toll booth, the nice cast member handed us this. Apparently all of this messy construction out on Osceola Parkway comes to an end on the 8th of November when they open up the new Hollywood Studios Auto Plaza. That means that there's going to be a whole new way of getting in, like when you went westbound. That little ramp there is going to be how you get into Hollywood Studios from now on. It also means that this backstage entrance off of World Drive is no longer going to be open. So no more backstage Galaxy's Edge pictures, but if you like the front gates at Hollywood Studios, you're going to love the new Auto Plaza because it looks almost exactly like it. Now, thanks to photos provided to me by BioReconstruct, you can see the old Studios entrance used to be up here. The new one is going to be down here. So all entrance into Hollywood Studios is going to be either from Osceola Parkway or from Victory Way. On Monday the 5th, we took our final ride through the parking lot of Hollywood Studios to get these photographs of the new Auto Plaza. As you can see, there are plenty of people working, getting it ready for its grand opening on Thursday. So remember, if you're headed out to Hollywood Studios, the new entrance is off of Osceola Parkway, or Victory Way if you're coming from Art of Animation or Pop Century. But the old entrance on Buena Vista is going to be for buses only. And probably for guest drop-off too. And we can't wait to check on your likes and comments. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did like the video, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? And remember, when you do subscribe, to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.